Go get some bubbles. Oh, they're coming. Here they come.
What you got, Zach?
Bubbles.
Zachary, what are those? Bubbles. Get them, Zach, get them.
You gotta stick your fingers out. I got it. Oh, they're coming your way.
Jump and get them, Zach, jump. Yay, bubbles.
Okay, they're coming this way. Slow, ready? Let's go up and down. And down. Up, high, and down. Where did you go? And there you are. Okay, we're gonna go fast. Get ready. Woo! Oh, we're going so fast. Oh, my arms are getting tired. Super fast. Hi. What you doing? Okay, let's go slow again. We're gonna go up. Alright, do it. And down. Where's everyone at? Where's the lady? Up. Oh, there you are. Up. Hello.
Hey, Zachary, can you wave hi to Mommy? Wave hi. I love you. Go fast. Go fast.